Hello everyone and welcome to my very new channel that I have named the Tutorials Bank. In this tutorial we're gonna see how we can disable the USB port so that your privacy and your security is not compromised, so that no one can just jump right into your computer and plug in his device and copy your personal data. So disabling the USB port is a very good move towards your security. You can also enable it whenever you want. So let's just jump right into it. Now the first step is very important in this, because without this step you cannot proceed further, and that is to log in as an administrator. You must have admin privileges in order to move further. Now the second step after you have logged in as an admin is to press the following keys. The button with the Windows sign on it, Windows plus alphabet R. That will open this small dialog box, Run, in front of you. In this text box, just type regedit, regedit, click OK. As soon as you click OK, this bigger dialog box will appear in front of you with this title, Registry Editor. Now in this regedit dialog box, you have to go to Computer, find H key local machine, this, drop it down. Now over here, click on System, open it up, and CurrentControlSet, open that one up too, and then the services. Now as soon as I have clicked the services, this huge infinite list of services have appeared in front of you. These are all the services that are running in your PC. Now the service that we are going to change is related to your USB device. Okay, so you have to scroll down and find USBSTOR, USBSTOR. Now this list is in alphabetical order, so we will find U just right over here, USBSTOR. Okay, click on it and come to the right panel. In this right panel you will see this field Start, name as Start. Now this field is responsible for starting the service that is responsible for detecting your USB device or your external hard drive. So we have to change this value, but the default value of it would be set to 3. 3 means that it's enabled. Now if you want to disable it, you have to type here 4. Now why we have typed here 4 in order to disable it, that's a long topic. So keeping it short, just type 4 to disable and 3 to enable. That is set by default. So we write 4 because we have to disable the port. Click OK. Now as soon as I have set the start value to 4, my USB port is disabled. Now just close your regedit. Now that we have disabled our USB port, let's check it out whether it's disabled or not. You see there is no USB drive, and now I'm going to plug in my USB. I have just plugged it in, and F5 refresh, nothing. So it's disabled. Now let's enable it again and see if that works. Same step, regedit. It's already open, so I will just change my start to 3, press OK, close it, refresh, and now I'm going to plug it again and let's see if it detects. Yes, it does. So yes, it worked, and that's an easy and very simple way to disable your USB port. If you got any questions in this regard, please feel free to comment. Also do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.